What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're at Charlotte Cars and Coffee for their May 2022 meeting up with my brother-in-law Landon and my little nephew Liam. It's going to be his first time ever coming out to the car show. He's almost 2 years old and I can't wait to see his reactions. Anyways, let me know what your favorite car in today's video is and looking forward to seeing the show. Got Landon and Liam checking out the SS. That's Landon's dream car right there. Right. Liam, are you gonna have one of those one day? Are you on that? Oh, you on the truck? Got the NSX on the TE37s. It's a beautiful car. One of my dream cars. Got the new BRZ on some rotoforms with the aero discs on them. And of course, it doesn't have the discs on the back, but yeah, I like this black metallic, really pretty.
Kick it uphill.
Now it's turned to soccer in cars. Good save by Landon. Got the Red Bull livery on the Mustang. This thing looks pretty sweet. I got Lando checking out the polishes. Got the new Maserati MC20 over here. Beautiful, beautiful car. Actually, they had one of these at the car show a couple weeks ago. I just didn't really pay attention to it because I was distracted by the hypercars. Got the Ferrari SF90 out here, and of course 48 Pista as well. Check out this SF90. I haven't actually had the chance to look at one of these yet, but holy cow. The thing is gorgeous. Got the Mark IV Supra over here, parked right next to a Mark V, and of course we got some NOS to go. Got the Evo pulling up here, and of course a ton of bikes. Oh, even better, you got the Evo with the Chihuahua in the back seat. Oh yeah. You gotta have the car seat back there. Check out the size of this turbo. Holy moly. Beautiful. Got the R33, the Graham lights on it. Beautiful. Got the right-hand drive Mark IV. Very clean, non-turbo. Right-hand drive Del Sol. Nice. This is something you don't see every day. Got the right-hand drive minivan.
See the turbo?
With a turbo motor in it.
Drive turbo.
That is sweet. That's for soccer dads everywhere. We have decided to take a little sit break and
Couldn't you like stop around a cooler car for Dad to look at?
read our truck book right next to the turbo minivan. Got the blue Cobra leaving. Sounds so good. Man, that'd be so
Black tires are polishing car.
What are those, like 355s? Yeah, the Del Sol. Got a beautiful GTR pulling up, the Advan GTs. So we had the Porsche 918 Spider. Actually saw this one at the McLaren car show a few weeks ago. Definitely doesn't get old looking at that thing. We got two SVJs right here. Just about to start one up. Got the Ferrari F12 here. Woo. Got all the cars about to leave. There we go. Got some V12s. About to rev up. Okay. here on the Weld Racing wheels. The bead locks in the back. Whew. I bet this thing flies. Got a C8 over there. It's just revving up. It's just sounding really loud. Got a Ferrari F12 just casually parked over here. And of course, everybody's leaving. All right, just like that, we're back home. It was an awesome turnout at Cars and Coffee Charlotte this month. Weather was beautiful. I didn't film as much as I normally do while I'm out there. That's because I had my nephew with me and my brother-in-law, and I was really just enjoying walking around, checking out the cars with them, and hanging out with my little nephew. They had a great time also. I can't wait to get back out there with them, and can't wait to watch him grow up and become a little car guy. Anyways, I'm in my garage. I'm looking at a few car parts around me, and we've got some things coming, so I'm actually going to start filming my next video, probably today or tomorrow, unveiling some car parts and talking about the plans for the FRS. It's been a little while since we've done anything and had a video featuring that car, so really looking forward. Going to change it up completely, and I can't wait to share that with you guys also. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next video. Peace.